This is Christmas, 2011. Whoa! That's Harrison's birthday present from Aunt Alden. That's Kitty B. Jeffrey's birthday present, or Christmas present.
She's gonna pop it.
Boop! And obviously that's Jeffrey enjoying Kitty B. Ooh, that thing righted itself. Kitty B, what is it? Ooh, ooh, whoa. What is it, Kitty B? How much longer of this do I need to...
I think it's enough.
All right.
We got what we needed to see.
What if she's tired of it?
No, she's gonna go back and try to pop it again.
She's in her chicken position.